This is the bird with one of the most beautiful voices in the world. But here's the twist: you'll almost never see it sing in daylight. The nightingale is small, plain brown, nothing flashy. If you saw it, you'd probably ignore it. But when the sun sets, this little bird transforms into a superstar. It sings over 200 different melodies, from soft whistles to powerful, almost operatic notes. And here's the crazy part: male nightingales sing at night to attract mates, while most birds are totally silent. Scientists say their song is so complex, it's been compared to classical music. So next time you hear music in the dark woods, it might not be a ghost. It's probably a tiny nightingale showing off its playlist.